In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chat as PDF on Claude. We'll start by getting a handy browser tool that makes exporting effortless. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for AI Chat Exporter. Save Claude as PDF, MD, and more. Select the extension with that exact name, click Add to Chrome, and complete the quick install. This extension is designed to work right inside your browser so you can capture your Claude conversations cleanly. If you're prompted about permissions, review them and continue. These are required so it can read the chat on the page and format it into a document. Once the extension is installed, head to Claude in your browser. If you already had Claude open, give the page a refresh so the new export controls load properly. A quick refresh is often all it takes for the extension to appear and hook into the interface. If for any reason you don't see the new options, closing and reopening the tab usually does the trick. Next, open the conversation you want to save. You can create a new chat if you're starting fresh, or pick any existing thread you want to archive. Take a moment to scroll through the chat so you know exactly what's on the page. The exporter will capture what's in the conversation, including your prompts and the AI's replies, in the order they appear. Look near the bottom of the chat interface for a control labeled Select. Click that. This is where the extension exposes its export choices, tying directly into the chat you're viewing so you don't have to copy and paste anything manually. From there, choose the PDF option. If a dropdown appears with multiple formats, make sure PDF is selected. The tool also supports other formats, but PDF is best for sharing or printing because it preserves layout and is easy to open on any device. Before you proceed, confirm you're on the correct chat and that it includes exactly what you want to export. Now, click Generate or simply press Enter. The extension will compile the conversation and trigger a download. For longer chats, give it a few moments to process. You should see the file appear in your browser's downloads area, and it will be saved to your default downloads folder. Open the PDF to confirm everything looks good. The messages should be in sequence, with clear separation between your inputs and the AI's responses. That's it. You've successfully saved your Claude chat as a PDF using AI Chat Exporter. If you plan to share the file, quickly scan it for anything private before sending. And if you export frequently, keeping the extension installed will make future saves just a click away.